Yesterday we talked to each other 1 hour, I think. But
Yeah.
after that,
Okay.
yes.
We forgot to record, so like
Good
you
afternoon.
can't able to upload
Yes.
our conversation.
This time we start from means our introduction. Then we start means our viewers also want to means your introduction first of all.
Mm. Yeah.
Start.
So as you know that my name is Suman. Currently, I'm at my hometown in Jodhpur. But basically, we are living Mumbai, like Mumbai in Kalyan. And if I talk about my education, I have done masters in commerce in 2021. Apart from I'm preparing for banking government exam, and I have 7-year-old son. He's studying in second standard. That's all about me.
Nice. Can I introduce myself?
Yeah, sure.
My name is Sushma. I'm from Maharashtra in Amravati district. If I talk about my education, I complete my PG English and Marathi literature. I am a photo editor as well as tuition teacher. I have one girl. She is a 7-year-old. She learn in third class. That's it. Yes.
Okay,
You
that's
tell me,
great.
how is it your day?
My day, it's as usual. It's similar. Nothing
And
special.
study going.
Yeah, yeah. I did 2 hours study today. Still, mm, yeah.
So,
Okay.
is everything means your family, your children, husband, and all how you manage is your daily routine. When you wake up and when you make a breakfast, lunch.
Yeah. Actually, I told you that currently I'm at my hometown. So here, my husband and my son, they are not here. They are in Mumbai.
Okay.
But here, my in-laws, my mother-in-laws, and my brother-in-law and my father-in-law, they are here. But
Okay.
here, I don't have so much workload here. But because we are only 3 or 4 members, so I don't have to be do lots of house chores. So that's why I manage my study also and everything here. But whenever I there in Mumbai, so I have lots of work, like I do lots of house chores and everything I have to be handled home. So that's time I don't got a lots of time to for study. But here I manage everything. Yeah.
This is very tough. Means how
Mm.
chores and taking care of to your children
Yeah.
and teaching also to your children also means your child also means
Yeah.
he read in studying in second class CBSE
Yeah.
student.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, and he taking tuition means not taking means he going to tuition also.
Yes, he is going tuitions. Actually, they are. He is in Mumbai, so my parents also live there. So they live nearby, so that's why they care to him.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
Currently, he's
You are
in his nanny's house, so his nannies take care of him.
nice. Means you are also teaching your child. Your
Yeah, I teach him whenever I live with him. But currently, this situation, I live in my hometown for some personal reason. So his exam also started. So I call him every day, and I said to you did study or not. So he said yes, I did. But sometimes I feel that I had to be study to him, like whenever like it's not possible to be learn everything on video call and on audio. So
and he also you means you are a son also miss you. Means
Yeah.
you are means this time
Yeah.
also help to their children. Means how to
Mm.
do your homework and how to
Yeah.
this time also means he is not he is a small this time only second class.
Yeah.
Think
Yeah,
that
and his nanny, she's not also educated, so she's not aware about what I had to be teach to him. So everything is difficult to manage to her.
and this time means in our time also means this time not means a CBSE student every person
Mm.
means they are to government school. I am also
Mm.
when in my childhood also I am going to I went to government school. This time many
Okay.
children went to
Yeah.
CBSE student. And
Yeah,
sharp
nowadays every parents want to be teach their child in better study like in CBSE board and in English medium school. Yeah.
and in your means in Mumbai means how much fees do you spend for your children in
Up,
1 year? How much fees?
approx 1 lakh or it's higher than 1 lakh,
Okay.
including bus fees also.
This
Last year
means
I had to be paid 1,20,000 approx.
okay. Means this is a large amount for for me. Means
Yeah.
in my city means only 12,000, 6,000
Mm.
for second class, first class.
In
12,000
CBSE.
CBSE. But
Okay.
very expensive also means both her parents also I think they are educated also and they are went to office also. They have much money also and they and both are want to their children also went to CBSE school and that's why they
Mm.
are spend money also for
Yeah.
him. Yes, but in my city, means suppose anyone told me, principal told me, large amount means 20,000 or so. This time, how can this manage? This is
Mm.
also, but in Mumbai, it's very expensive. Is
Yeah.
for education and
Yeah.
so hospitals are so expensive. Means when we sick, this time also means expensive in Mumbai.
Yeah, in Mumbai, everything is expensive. If we want to be live here, so everything like if we want to be get a room in rent, so that's also like so much expensive.
Yes, yes. But want to suppose anyone want to do a job means like in a company they are get
Mm.
in Mumbai. Bihari
Mm.
person so they are search a job. They are also went to in Mumbai and got a job also. Bihari
Mm.
person of the Bihari person also live in Mumbai. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So today's Sunday, so are you don't taking tuition class now?
Oh, I'm not taking tuition class Sunday. And suppose I leave within 7 days, means Monday to Saturday, I leave 1 day. That time I taking class in Sunday.
Okay. Hmm.
And but this time I was not leave. That's why today is not taking tuition.
Okay. Hmm.
But
So
this
nowadays there to like students exam also
yes,
like started. So I think
yes.
some parents don't force to be take tuition in Sunday.
Yes, but my students want to, ma'am, please taking tuition Sunday. But I told to my student, I want to leave today. If they want,
Okay.
yes. And yesterday I am called also to Ask Fluency app, and they are also communicate to different person in front of me. They
Okay.
are
Is fluency. Have you taking subscription of is fluency?
No. This is a free of cost. 20-minute free. Only call, audio call.
Yeah, only a audio call. Yes, yeah, I also used
Okay.
on 20 minutes free call.
Yes. And,
Yeah.
this app is many person live in Japan also. When my student called to one person, this is he live in Japan, and only he read in fifth class. But I first of all I write on the board, then they are communicate to different person here.
Okay. Yeah.
And do
So,
you have
so
question?
what did you done today? Like, have you do practice like any? You have you talked to any other person on Skype or?
No. No, I'm not communicate. I email means I message to Geeta Verma, but this time she is not replied. When she replied, then I communicate. Means both are suppose one person not busy, but another person is busy. This time, how can this possible?